Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. Alright, today we are going to go with issue 44 of the R2 build, and we have some parts here. Looks like more of the left leg frame. So let's get this open and see what we got. Alright, these are the parts that you get with this issue. You've got the rear left leg frame and the front left leg frame, as well as a leg frame connector. You also get a bunch of screws, and I suggest you use the screws that actually came with this issue, as these are not your typical 6mm silver screws. These are a bit fatter, and they're really going to be taking a lot of the leg support here. You're also going to need 8 of the 6mm black screws, as well as the leg frame pieces from the previous issue and the leg that we have built thus far. You won't need the ankle from the last issue though. And to begin, you're going to want to take these 2 frame pieces here and you're just going to slide them together, and you'll notice that this one has a little protrusion here with a hole in it, and it'll just slide right in there. It should go neatly. On the back, you've got a spot for a nut that came with this issue, so we'll just slide that in there, and then we'll take one of those silver screws and we will screw it in to hold them in place. Alright, with that done, we're going to come down to the bottom. You can see there's a little spot here for the frame connector. Now there are posts on the frame connector, so those posts will just slide right in. Now there's really no direction. This is pretty much the same no matter which way you go, but there is some writing on it, and I'm putting that right side up, although I'm sure it doesn't matter at all. On the back, 2 more places for nuts, and you'll want to screw through those holes as well. Alright, with that in place, we can actually take the frame from the previous issues and just slide that in and connect it in exactly the same way, making sure those little posts go into the holes right there, nuts and screws. And there you have it. Leg frame is complete. Now we have to fit it to this. So we just flip this over and make sure that this little extension is facing that way. These little tabs here are going to want to face up away from the plastic. And we can just fit that in. Since nothing else is secured, everything's going to want to fall apart here. And with those in place, we're going to want to use the 8 6mm black screws to tie it together. These 4 holes, and these 2, and these 2. And there you have it, people. The leg frame is now attached to the leg assembly and looking great. We are yet another step closer, and that ends stage 44. How exciting is this? We can start to see that the left leg is coming along, and yeah, I know we did this once before with the right leg, but the more we get done, the closer we are to having our R2 wander around on its own, and I am ecstatic. I simply can't wait. If you like the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Have a great day.